The difference between ordinary food and truly unforgettable food is often not in expensive ingredients or complicated techniques, but in a few powerful, hidden secrets that chefs and home cooks alike learn over time. The first secret ingredient is balance. Nothing great is ever one-dimensional. The most memorable dishes strike a perfect balance between sweet and salty, rich and acidic, crispy and tender, hot and cooling. A squeeze of lemon can transform a heavy dish into something bright and alive. A tiny pinch of sugar in a tomato sauce can awaken a deeper flavor that wasn't there before. The second secret ingredient is heat control. Unforgettable food is not rushed. It understands time and temperature. Slow cooking allows flavors to develop, meats to become tender, and sauces to thicken normally. High heat at the right moment creates perfect caramelization, a golden crust, and deep smoky notes that make your mouth water before you even take a bite. The third secret ingredient is aromatics, things like garlic, onion, ginger, herbs, and spices. These ingredients don't just add flavor. They create a sensory experience. The scent that fills your kitchen before the food is even served becomes part of the memory connected to the meal. When fresh herbs are added at the end or spices are toasted before cooking, they unlock a depth that cannot be copied by seasoning alone. The fourth secret ingredient is fat. Butter, olive oil, coconut milk, and animal fats carry flavor, coat the tongue, and create that rich, satisfying feeling that makes a dish feel complete. Without the right fat, food can taste flat or dry, but with the correct amount, it becomes smooth, comforting, and luxurious. The final and most powerful secret ingredient is emotion. The love, care, and intention you bring into cooking is something science cannot measure, but the heart can feel. Food prepared with patience, joy, and purpose always tastes better. Whether you are cooking for family, friends, or yourself, your energy becomes part of the dish. That is why the same recipe can taste completely different depending on who cooks it. When you combine balance, proper heat, aromatics, fat, and love, you unlock the true formula for unforgettable food, the kind that people remember long after the plate is empty, the kind that brings people together, tells a story, and leaves a lasting impression in both heart and mind.